Starting with the name of Allah, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to online class of class 3 of the Smart City School. We start our first chapter, History of Computer. In this unit, we will get information about the history of computer. The computer has been through many changes to become the machine that we use today. The idea for the computer began with people who wanted an easier way to calculate numbers. Now we use computer for everything. First, people use abacus for calculating. Now people use laptop for calculating, for online shopping, for study. People use laptop. Abacus. Abacus is considered as the first calculating machine or a calculator made of strings and beads. Abacus is made of string and beads. It was invented in Babylonia in 500 BC. Do you know? An abacus is also a machine. It has colorful beads and colorful beads used for counting. Now move to next page. Napier bones. In 1642, John Napier invented a system of movable rods and it was popularized as Napier bones. This machine can perform division and multiplication. This is Napier bone machine. It performs division and multiplication. Next one, Pascaline calculator. Blaise Pascal invented the first automatic calculator. It did not run by electricity, it ran by turning gear and wheels. This machine can do only addition. Napier bone invented a movable rods. Napier bones invented a machine. It is a system movable rod and it is used. This machine can perform division and multiplication. Pascaline invented calculator. This machine can do only addition. Next one, Gottfried Albinus calculator. Gottfried Albinus created another type of machine that run with gears and wheels. It is said to be the first calculator and can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Next one, Joseph Marie punch card. This is Joseph Marie punch card. In 1801, Joseph Marie Jacquard invented punch card for the power looms but later used in computer technology as memory. Difference engine. In 1822, Charles Babbage introduced a calculating machine of the size of a room. He called it difference engine. Next one, analytic engine. Charles Babbage invented all of the parts of the modern computer in 1833. He called it analytic engine. Move to next page. Hermann Hollier calculating machine. Hermann Hollier invented a calculating machine that was able to count and sort of information. Next one, vacuum tube computer. In 1940, vacuum tubes were invented and used in the computer. It was the most important invention. In second generation computer, 1947, second generation computer. Second generation computer didn't use vacuum tubes anymore. 1950, the computer ran by electronic chips. 1960, computers were affordable and small enough to fit in a home. 1980, the beginning of the computer like those we use today. These are the computers we use today. Move to next page, exercise part A. Activity, color the picture of old computer. There are two types of computer. You color the picture in old computer. Color the picture of latest computer. Look at the picture and write few words for each picture. Look at the picture, part B. Look at the picture and write few words for each picture. First one I solve. This is abacus. Abacus is first calculating machine. Now you read the chapter again and write each word in front of each pictures. Come to next part, part C. Encircle the best option. It is abacus or laptop. Laptop. Next one, Napier bones, Pascaline calculator. Second one, Napier bones, Pascaline calculator. In chapter 1 we read about it. It is Napier-Bones. Third one, Gottfried-Albinus calculator or Napier-Bones. Correct option is Gottfried-Albinus calculator. Move to next page, page number 8. Difference engine or analytic engine. Difference engine. Next one, Napier-Bones or vacuum tube computer. It is vacuum tube computer. Difference engine or analytical engine. Analytical engine. Napier-Bones or Pascaline calculator. It is Pascaline calculator. Gottfried-Albinus calculator or Napier-Bones. Write the correct option, Joseph Mary punch card. It is Joseph Mary punch card. Last one, abacus or laptop. Abacus. Hope you will understand. Stay home, stay safe.